Getting a list of values from a list of dicts. I have a list of dicts like this. I want apple, banana, cars. What's the best way to do this?
Assuming every dict has a value key, you can write, assuming your list is named L. If value might be missing, you can use
Here's another way to do it using map and lambda functions, where L is the list. I see this way sexiest, but I would do it using the list comprehension. Update, in case that value might be missing as a key use. Update, I'm also not a big fan of lambdas, I prefer to name things. This is how I would do it with that in mind. I would even go further and create a sole function that explicitly says what I want to achieve. With Python 3, since map returns an iterator, use list to return a list, for example list map operator.itemGetterValue, L.
I think as simple as below would give you what you are looking for. You can do this with a combination of map and lambda as well, but list comprehension looks more elegant and Pythonic. For a smaller input, list comprehension is way to go, but if the input is really big, then I guess generators are the ideal way. Here is a comparison of all possible solutions for bigger input. As you can see, generators are a better solution in comparison to the others. Map is also slower compared to generator for reason I will leave up to op to figure out.